I guess it isn't way shorter, but it's shorter. But I have the door open, so let's go ahead and put this together. It's real easy. The trim, the window trim here, one bolt in it. Clip it in down there while we have the mirror off. Clip it in, one screw in through right there. And then there's 3 bolts in the door with little panels. There's one here and 2 down there. I gotta pop it out though so I can get the mirror trim on, and that's it. It's pretty simple.